Hi, Shayla C. Smart here, and I'm so glad that you are here with me today. I talk all things remote work, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship with a mission to help you earn an income online that you can do from anywhere in the world so that you can have a free lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways that you can earn an income on Amazon without using FBA. So, if you want to know how you can profit from one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms without using Amazon FBA, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. Getting started with number 1. Now, you may or may not have heard of Amazon Mturk, but it's a gig service that allows you to choose when you work, what projects you work on, and even though it doesn't pay a whole lot of money, I do have a method to the madness. If you are really looking to get started on earning income online, Amazon Mturk is a great place to get your feet wet and get a feel for what it is to earn from your own efforts right online from your laptop. So if you want to learn more about Amazon Mturk, I have the link in the description below. You can click it and check it out. Also, to note, Amazon Mturk, since I last logged onto the platform, will pay you every 3 days if you choose. You can choose to be paid every 7 days or longer, but the earliest you can get paid is every 3 days. So keep that in mind, but you can cash out every 3 days to your account with no minimums. And if there's a minimum, it's very small, something like 50 cents or $1. So it's a great way, again, to make money with no experience using your laptop and be able to start earning on a platform that you can work anytime you want from anywhere you want, as long as you have an internet connection. All right, number 2. Now, this one is not really about the earning income online part as far as like freelancing or freestyling it, but it's more about Amazon itself. Yes, you can work for Amazon directly in all capacities, but the one that I'm focused on today is as a customer service rep. Did you know that Amazon has customer service reps and you can become one? So if you've ever called into Amazon for a refund or to check on a shipping order, or whatever, you likely talk to their customer service department, and they are always hiring for customer service reps. So this is not only a great way for you to find a remote gig that you can do from almost any state in the US, and I'm not sure if they do customer service out of state or outside of the US, but they do have a lot of tech jobs, from instructional design to programmers, UX, you name it, they have it on their platform. And so a lot of those jobs are out of the country. You can go to careers at Amazon or simply Google work for Amazon, and you'll be able to see all of the jobs that they have available. And if you want to get your foot in the door, you're just getting started, and you want to get into a tech-friendly company, Amazon is the way. So remember, customer service position or customer success rep at Amazon is a great way to get your foot in the door, get a guaranteed paycheck, and get to learn on the other side of one of the world's biggest platforms for e-commerce. Number 3. I really like number 3. I'm partial to number 3 because this is what I do. This is how I make some of my money online, and it is to create and sell digital products, namely ebooks. There's tons of digital products you can sell, but I'm talking to you about selling ebooks, and not just any old ebooks, but ebooks that give people the how-to, that solve a problem. And the great thing about it, these can be little, or what I call tiny assets, where you talk about one specific thing, you solve one specific problem, and then you can create a series or leave a link inside of your book that people can click to get to the next book and other books that you offer. But you can definitely create a book. You can put it onto Amazon and sell it through their KDP platform. And you can also add affiliate links into your books that will make you even more money. Or you can leave a link to your blog, a link to your Pinterest, a link to your social media, to your podcast. It's really no limit to what you can do selling ebooks or tiny assets. and allowing those to be sold on the Amazon platform. And the great thing about it, it doesn't cost you anything to get started. Number 4. This one just tickles me every time I think about it. This really opened the door for me when it came to e-commerce outside of Amazon FBA, because there's so many twists and turns and things that you need to do and you need to know about. And sometimes it even requires money to sell on FBA or to get started. But you can still do what we call drop shipping using the Amazon platform, but you can actually do it from a platform called eBay. Did you know that? You can actually drop ship on eBay with products that are on Amazon. I remember the first time I ever drop shipped anything on eBay. It was a movie that came out, and it was a brand new movie. Everybody was anticipating and waiting on it, and I was actually able to drop ship 2 of them to 2 different customers from Amazon to eBay. And I really just did it to test and see if it really works, and oh my gosh, it worked, you guys. I made my first $20 from Amazon to eBay drop shipping. So if you want to know more about drop shipping and eBay, stay tuned. I have something for you. You can also drop ship on Facebook. Yeah, this is new as of the last couple years or so, and it's gotten really popular over the last couple of years, several months. But people are drop shipping from Amazon to Facebook. Now, I haven't done this and I don't know all the details into it, so be sure to do some more research if you want to find out deeper details. But there is a thing called Facebook Marketplace where people are actually selling their gently used or brand new items over on Facebook. And I know a lot of people have made a lot of money drop shipping from Amazon to Facebook. So if you want to know more details about that, stay tuned. I have some more details for you as well. And number 5, this one, it doesn't cost you anything to get started for any of these. However, I listed number 5 last because it's one that may be a little bit more difficult to get into, and it will take a little bit more time to grow out. But once you get going, it's definitely profitable. And that is to create a blog and or a YouTube channel. You can have one or both. But you can definitely use these to benefit from Amazon, because you can simply take links from Amazon. We call those affiliate links. Put them into your blog or in the description box of your YouTube channel, and you can make a profit when people click on those links or sign up for the products and services or things that you offer, whether it be on Amazon or from another platform. But since we're talking about Amazon in this video, just know that a lot of people, bloggers especially, make a lot of money using this method, because all you need is a blog platform. You need your links from Amazon. And if you don't have a blog, because depending on how you start your blog and what platform you started on, it could cost you some money to get started. It's usually less than $100. I've done it for less than $50, and I have 3 blogs. But if you want to start it in a way that doesn't cost you anything out of pocket, you can definitely do it on free blog sites or with free websites. And if you want to take it a step further and you don't even want to do the blog route, you can actually do it through having a link from Amazon and creating your own Amazon finds or your own Amazon store. When Amazon first released the influencer, I'm not sure what they call it now, but the influencer ability to say, hey, these are the products I use, this is what I buy, I jumped aboard, and I was able to get in. So if you want to know how to make money sharing Amazon trials, I have a treat for you. This is one of my favorite ways to make money using Amazon, and it's all about the free trials. I'll dig into that inside of my course, Profit from Amazon. It's an e-course. It's short, sweet, and to the point, but it's packed with information. So not only do I break down the 5 ways that I've already talked about today, and I go into detail on how to make each one monetizable, I've also added 4 additional ways. So that's a total of 9 ways to profit from Amazon, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, with an exception of working from Amazon. It depends on what platform you decide to join, whether it's the customer service platform or their more technical programming ID, just depending on which level of Amazon work you want to do, depends on where you'll be able to work. But all of the others, you can do them from anywhere in the world, and I'm going to break down all 5 On top of that, I've added these 4 additional ways that you can profit on Amazon. So if you're into that and you want to know more and you want to get the maximum amount of income that you can using one platform, this is the course for you. I know a lot of times we watch videos and we get as much detail as we can, but if I was to go through all of this, we'd be here all day, or I'd have to make 17 parts of this video to get all the information to you. I promise you this course will be worth the time that it takes you to go through it, because it will give you a much more clear picture of how you can monetize these 5 ways. But not only that, you'll also be able to monetize 4 additional ways, and I break them all down step by step, everything you need to do. And it includes a checklist to make sure you get it all done and you have everything in order. And you'll be able to contact me through my Facebook group and ask questions as you go along in the course. So if you're interested in that, be sure to click the link below. I have the link in the description box for you to check out the Profit with Amazon e-course. And I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment below and let me know which one of the 5 you're going to give a try, or maybe you're already doing one of them, and which one you're not doing but you'd like to get started with. Until next time, Shayla C. Smart here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.